1. Downloading the SJCAM X app. Before connecting the camera to your phone, download and install the SJCAM X app. There are two ways to download the app. Method 1. Scan the QR code. Use your phone to scan the QR code. On the right side of the screen, you will be redirected to the app download page. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Method 2. Download from the App Store. Open the App Store on your phone and search for SJCAM X. Find the app, then tap Download or Install. 2. Connecting to the app. The C400 Pro Pocket supports two app connection methods. Method 1. Bluetooth Quick Connect. Before connecting, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Open the SJCAM X app and tap Connect Camera on the home screen. The app will automatically search for nearby SJCAM devices. When C400 Pro Pocket appears in the device list, tap Connect. The camera will begin connecting. If your phone asks to join a Wi-Fi network containing C400 Pro Pocket in its name, tap Join. When the live preview appears in the app, the camera is connected successfully. Method 2. QR code connection. Swipe down on the camera shooting screen to open the shortcut menu. Tap the Wi-Fi icon in the upper left corner. A QR code will appear on the screen. Open the SJCAM X app and tap Scan QR code on the connection screen. Point your phone camera at the QR code on the camera screen. Once recognized, the app will begin connecting automatically. Do not turn off the camera or exit the app during connection. When the live preview appears in the app, the QR code connection is complete.